Okay, the first step we have to go to SCREENCAST-O-MATIC.com and click the start recording for free button. And the next step, we click on the launch free recording option. The third step are this pop-up window may appear when we try to launch the recorder. If it does, click on Open Screen Recording Launcher Free 2.0. But if we don't want this window to appear again, check the box that says always open the step of link in the associate app. Then edit the setting for recording method size and narration. So after that, select preference to set hotkeys for various commands. When you are done with the setting, and then click the close button. Just for information, maximal time and commuter audio for recording cannot be changed in the free version. The next step, if we want to adjust the area being recorded, to manually change the size of recording window, click and drag the weight handles on the corner or side of the frame. To change the location of the recording window, click and drag the center arrow. So we start recording. Click the recording button to start recording your screen. After that, click and drag the black playback bar to move the window as it is recording. Then click the pause button to temporarily stop recording. After we finish recording, to resume the record, click the record button, and to preview our recording, click the play button. So to jump the next or previous point, we can pause the recording with click the next previous arrow. And to clear the recording and start over, click the trust button. Finally, the ending of step. When we are ready to save our recording, then click done.